Welcome to your guided sleep meditation. Tonight, you will gently let go of any thoughts, worries, or tension from the day. Allow my voice to guide you into deep, peaceful sleep. Find a comfortable position. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently exhale. Feel your body melt into the bed. Breathe in calm. Breathe out stress. Again, breathe in calm and breathe out stress. With each breath, feel your muscles relax, starting from your forehead. Relax your eyes, your jaw, your neck, and shoulders. Feel a wave of calm moving down your arms, your chest, your back. Your legs grow heavy, your feet soft and warm. Your entire body is safe, supported, and ready to rest. Thoughts may come and go. That's okay. Imagine each thought like a cloud in the night sky. Watch it drift away gently, peacefully. You don't need to hold on. You are free to rest. Repeat silently after me. I am calm. I am safe. I am ready to sleep. My mind is quiet. My body is healing. I allow deep sleep to restore me. Imagine a soft, glowing light above your head. Warm, soothing. This light slowly moves down, filling your entire body with deep relaxation and healing energy. With every breath, you drift deeper into sleep, your mind calm, your body heavy, your heart at peace. There is nothing left to do tonight. You are safe. You are loved. You are enough. Sleep well, heal